need you two to make a big stage for my fabulous flying display.
How big?
Big. I'm a big, big star. I need a big, big, big stage. To the air, featherettes. Well, what do you think?
Yes, well done, everyone.
It's a really good start. It was terrible. I don't have to listen to this. But it could be great if you work together.
These'll do. We'll have a stage in no time.
They're a bit tatty.
A few nails, bit of glue, they'll be fine.
Bluebird wants it to be special, Will. We'll have to find the very best wood and do this properly.
That means slowly.
Now, all we've got to do is set up our stall. Stall? What stall? Popcorn and lollies. You can't have a show without popcorn and fruit lollies. Of course we can't. Let's go and get them. Ready, featherettes? 3, 2, 1, go! Excuse me, I have to be centre stage.
So you keep saying.
Well, what did you think? I'm not saying. You got in a huff last time. I know what you think. Oh, Raggles, can you please help me get the featherettes into shape? You want me to help? OK. We'll do things the Raggles way. I like donuts! Bouncy, bouncy, wobbly-dee!
Sorry, little acorns. It's a flying display for birds. And you're not birds, you're...
OK, featherettes. First rule.
If I could just say...
Shh. The first rule is you must listen. We haven't got long until it's showtime. And the second rule? You all have to do the same thing at the same time. The same? But I'm Bluebird, the star. Like this. Let's go, featherettes.
Just needs a big dob of glue and it's finished.
At last!
Dum, 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 dum. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Will, it's not finished yet.
Hey! Hi, Bluebird. Your bird table's ready.
I think you mean my stage. All eyes will be on me. Bluebird. I mean on us featherettes. Quick, it's time for the show. Ooh, I can't wait. Ooh. Good luck, team. Go, featherettes.
Go, featherettes!
You won't try to slow me down this time, will you?
What? I never slowed you down.
You did? You couldn't keep up.
Well, at least I don't waggle my tail feathers to get everyone's attention.
Oh, well, that's it. I'm walking out.
I'm walking out first. Psst, you're on. No, Raggles. I'm off. The performance is cancelled. The featherettes are finished. No. What?
Why?
What's happened? It's no good, Rosie. They all want to be the star. But I am the star.
You can all be stars for some of the time, but you'll have to take it in turns. Can you do that?
We'd like to say a big hello and welcome you to our flying show. We go up, we go down, we go in between. We are the best you've ever seen. We are the flying featherettes.
We swoop and twirl and pirouette.
Faster than a rocket or a jumbo jet. We are the flying featherettes.
I needed extra glue.
3.
We worked together in the end.
Come on, then.
This is the end, it's time to go. We hope that you enjoyed the show. F is the letter you won't forget. We're the fabulous, fearless, flying featherettes.
Flitter, flutter. Whatever next?
Swoop and twirl and pirouette. Faster than a rocket or a jumbo jet. I'm a star, don't you think, Rosie?
Do you want the truth, Raggles?
Do you want this banana and honey sandwich, Rosie?
You're a star, Raggles.
So are you, Rosie. Sometimes. We take it in turns. Oh, no, it's no good.
What's the matter, Raggles?
I'm trying to get my skimmer down, but I can't reach. It's too high up.
Here, let me do it.
Thanks, Rosie. I wish I were big and tall like you.
You are growing. Look, that's how little you were, and that's how tall you are now.
Have I grown any more?
Not since I checked yesterday, Raggles.
Oh.
Come on, let's go and play.
Hi, Rosie. Hi, Raggles. Do you want to play?
Yes! Well caught, Will.
Yes! We're the best at piggy in the middle, Rosie.
This isn't fair. I have to get taller and fast.
Cheer up, Raggles. Here, try my cap on. You can borrow it if you like.
Wow. Thanks, Will.
Hola, everybody.
Hello, Archie.
Hey, Raggles. I like your cap.
Will lent it to me.
Oh, I wish I had a cap like that to keep the sun out of my eyes. But, chameleons do not usually wear clothes.
I don't see why not. I can make you a cap.
You could? Just like this one?
Exactly the same, only smaller. It won't take me long.
Fantastico! Thank you, Holly.
Hey, catch!
Oh, I do still wish I were taller, though. But I have an idea how I can be. Come with me, Rosie.
You are much taller now.
I know. It's amazing, isn't it?
I suppose so.
I love being tall. I can see so much more from up here.
Look out!
Will's cap. I'll try it on, if the cap fits. It does not fit, but I bet I still look cool like Will. Oh, yes, Archie, you look... Hello? Hello? Did someone turn the lights out?
Quick! Help! Come quickly! Archie's fallen down here,
Down the gap!
and he can't get out.
I'm stuck.
Poor Archie.
No, it's quite fun down here. There's a cool echo. Woo, 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 woo.
But you can't stay down there forever.
Don't worry, Archie. I'll get you out. Oh, no. I'm too big, and I can't reach down.
Me neither. That's why I came for help.
I'm too big as well.
Oh, it looks a bit scary down there. Let me try. I might be small enough to squeeze in, or part of me at least. Nearly there, Archie. Hold on to my foot.
Yes!
Raggles, my hero, the only one who could save me.
I suppose being small isn't so bad. I like being the way I am.
I like you the way you are too.
Thanks for letting me borrow your cap, Will. And this is for you, Archie.
Thank you, Holly. I think I will save it for special occasions. I like being just the way I am, too.